Hello, my name is Simeon Adedokun. I want to teach you how to add LMS calendar to your mobile calendar. I mean, uh, your Google calendar, so that you can receive notifications anytime an event is published on the LMS portal. First thing, log into your LMS portal. Don't forget the address lms.lautech.edu.ng. Then you log in with your matric number and password. Alright, let's go in. Alright, it's loading. Now, once you are logged in, click on calendar. That's at the top, one of the options at the top. If you are mobile, you touch calendar and it's loading calendar. Okay, scroll down. Oh, this is a calendar for June. Alright, scroll down to export calendar. That's what we need. Export calendar is loaded. Good. What do you want to export? We want to export all events. Yes, that's better. Since we want to receive notifications for all events. Export calendar. Then I would advise that you choose recent and next 60 days. That would be good because at least you know what is currently happening and what will happen in the next 60 days. And okay, we have two options here. You can export the calendar, with that, you will have to run the file on your phone to import it. But don't worry about that. Let's get URL. That's what we want to do. This export calendar is limited. We only install the calendar you export now. So if no events are added tomorrow, you won't see them. But if you export URL and you add URL to your calendar, it will always synchronize from the website. So get calendar URL. Let's touch that. The page will reload and you have to scroll down again to see the URL. This URL is unique for every student because your user ID will be added to it. So this is my own URL. You will see yours. Copy the URL from https blah 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 to this recent upcoming. Good. Copy. Now that you have copied the calendar, I want to assume that you have a Gmail account. This video is for Google Calendar. You can also perform that on Outlook. Alright, let's visit calendar.google.com. Yes, we need that. That's where we're going to do it. Calendar.google.com. At first, it will load. I'm currently logged in, so you can see my calendar here, but don't worry about that. At first, it's going to load mobile view. So on your browser, I recommend that you use Chrome browser. Your browser, change to desktop site. Can you see from your browser options? Desktop site. I'm changing and let's see what we see now. Good. Things have changed. Or things are changing. Good, 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 good. You can scroll down once the page has finished loading. Let's see. I will scroll. I'm scrolling on the left. Can you see? Yeah, scroll on the left until you see other calendars. In fact, I want to switch my account so that we won't be seeing these existing calendars. Okay, good. I love this. So scroll down on the left, or you see other calendars. Can you see my calendar? Then you have other calendars. my calendars, other calendars. That's where you can order calendars. Touch plus, that plus sign, or click on that plus sign. Good. Can you see from URL? If we had exported the file I mentioned the other time, we would import here. But here we want to add calendar from URL. So touch or click from URL. Good. You are asked to paste the URL, to type the URL of the calendar. Okay, I want to paste now since I've copied. Paste. Good. The URL has been pasted. You can make this calendar publicly accessible so that in case you are using API or you're using uh, other applications to access your Google Calendar, you can also have it on that application. But if you are not going to do that, you may leave it private, but I recommend make it public. Good. Now, add calendar. Calendar is being added. Let's see what happens next. Good. Calendar added. We have been notified. Calendar added. Okay, now that the calendar has been added, let's see if it's on the list now. Let's go back and let's check. Wow. Can you see it here? Under other calendars, we have holidays in Nigeria. Then I have HTTPS, LMS, blah blah. If I check my calendar now, I will see some of the posts. Events on the LMS portal. Can you see GST 122 quiz? That one is closed or is due on Monday 15th. Oh, these are other ones here. Wow, good, good. And one beautiful thing about this is you can always see what is happening on your phone, especially if you are on Android. Yes, you just go to your uh, calendar on your phone, and you don't have to visit this website to see what is happening. Again, just go to calendar. I have my calendar under organizer here. Where's my organizer folder? Is here. Calendar. Let me see. Good. So this is my calendar here. So my assignments on this, on that, and this, and that. Can you see all the previous assignments are here? CS 204, CS 202. They can be viewed on my Google Calendar, and I will be notified anytime an assignment is due. In fact, my settings say I should be notified a week before, again a day before. I should be notified via email. My phone too should notify me. So all these are beautiful things. Oh, what do you see here? This is on my phone now. Event on my phone, telling me what is going to happen and the time, the date. This is very easy. This is all I want to share. Thanks for viewing the video. Bye.